In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect your project in Lovable, export it to GitHub, and clone it into VS Code for local editing. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that takes your project from the Lovable interface into your local development environment, so you can review the full file structure and make edits more comfortably in VS Code. This is especially helpful if you want more control over your code, access to the full project locally, or a more traditional development setup. First, inside Lovable, open your project and click the code icon or use the view panel to inspect the source file tree. This lets you see how the project is organized, including the files and folders that make up the app. Taking a quick look here is useful before exporting because it helps you understand the structure of the project you're about to work with locally. If you're new to the file tree, don't worry, you're just confirming that the project is there and getting familiar with its layout. Next, go to the top bar and click the GitHub button. This will export the project and push the repository to your GitHub account. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to authorize GitHub access or confirm the repository creation. Once that finishes, your project will be stored in a GitHub repository, which makes it much easier to version, share, and clone onto your computer. Before moving on, make sure the export completes successfully so you know the latest version of the project is available online. After that, open Visual Studio Code. Once VS Code is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and P on Windows or Command Shift and P on Mac to open the command palette. In the command palette, type git, clone, and run that command. This is the quickest way to pull a remote repository from GitHub directly into your local machine without needing to use the terminal. When prompted, paste your repository URL. VS Code will then ask where you want to save the project on your computer. Choose a location that's easy to find and let the clone process finish. After that, open the cloned folder in VS Code and you'll be able to browse, edit, and manage the full project locally. At this point, your Lovable project is now available in VS Code, giving you a more flexible environment for development. If you plan to keep working on it, it's a good habit to save your changes regularly and keep your GitHub repository updated as you go.